Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I'm going to show you what is hover typing, how you can enable hover typing, and how you can customize hover dock. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. First go to settings, go down here and search for accessibility. Click on accessibility. Now go down here and search for keyboards and typing. Click on keyboards and typing, and here you can see hover typing at the top. What is hover typing? Hover typing display words in larger text while typing. For example, let me show you the normal mode of the typing. For example, let me open the messenger app and let me send a message to my friend. For example, hi. You can see nothing's happened. This is just normal typing. Now just enable the hover typing here, and now when I'm typing anything, how you can see the dock is appear on the top of the text. Now here you can see three sections. The first is text, the second one is display colors, and the third one is typing colors. Now in here you can see display mode. Click on this. There are three types of display mode. The one is already you saw that, dock to keyboard. The second one is inline. The third one is top. Let me show you the inline mode. Click on the inline mode, go back, and here you can see the dock will be at the top of the text. Now let me show you the top one. Now the dock will be at the top of the screen. For example, how are you? You can see now the text is showing on the top of the screen, but the inline one is the best. Let me select the inline one. You can also change the font. For example, click on the font, and you can select anything from here. I will select the American typewriter. Go back. Let me show, when I type anything, it will be in here. You can see American typewriter. How are you feeling? You can also change the basic thing, and the most important thing of this hover typing is size. Click on size. Let me adjust it, for example, here, and now when you type anything, you can easily visible that text. You can see how are you, I am fine, and you cannot send anything incorrect to your friends or family. Now go to display colors. You can also change the text color, insertion point color, background color, and border color. Let me change the text color, for example, here, and I want the text color should be, for example, blue. And now let me type anything. I'm fine, X, and you can see the text color is blue. You can also change the background color. I want the background color should be, for example, yellow. And now when I type anything, you can see the background color is yellow. You can change the border or anything, and just go there, check out the hover typing. And if you miss everything, for example, if you want to change hover typing to its normal mode, click on reset to default. Click on reset. Just disable one time the hover typing, re-enable it. Now when you type anything here, it will be its normal mode. So this was the quick video how you can enable the hover typing, what is hover typing, and how you can customize hover typing. Hope you liked the video. Must comment about this video, must subscribe. Thanks for watching.